Guys, something hospital five so pajak cinema sadol limited. As you can see here. Why mo? Oh, sorry kami kami ako ni Chini. Sungguh mat kami ako ni Chini. Kami mana YouTuber ko itu
So
mara.
guys, akhai tap se khai sokayo. Dini got shot nai director ro khai sokaya. Bara kam tra ro khai kya. So go khana khaya. बहुत मार ना से बहुत पैसे दे रहा है.
Guys, I'll tell you the reason. Kamu mana buat tang hai kamu baik ya harus kerja. Kok hai se buat from last week no ya. From last week buat engkau enggak belum hanya sorry kamu aja ya belum बहुत सारा दो hai itu cái bomnya nó kemar kat beja yesterday only weekend no bomnya kemar kat kayo bocor ko ka chung kham ka ko chung pe nai kayo ni semua sudah sarta ke itam sami odi horo like 1 a.m. 2 a.m. horo like what to say feet no like faint no yeah like feet ka and oro asuma pika asuna ditama so guys do comment get well soon stay get well soon langsung aja bora selain Bro, just tell the kahani. This seat and your seat. कैसा finishing works. Before you was here, no? Pas ke borok tongmani do o sita ge bo oroni borok thangkan ke ba oroni borok doktorna sayawai thangka hino like without telling for doctor Deven doktor na sayawai thangka ke ba oroni orosip khai kata orosip kema pore doktor songna songphayo or je tongna agibo bin korla bono susiri klangka duita injection free rika kay देखम साने मुन्ना मुसुंगो यांगा देखो नंगो yang khajai ke
That's not this thing has to be good. No, listen, but not time this is
total you got 5 no
I'm sitting there because it was raining not today.
yeah
Then the rain was so full. He just left around like 10 and all. Then I just sat here. My parents went for admission. I was alone for some time. Then I just left. I don't know. They came from behind me. They said, "Time it's only time for injection." They put me twice. Then I said, "Okay, I'm sleepy." After that, again they came after like 15 minutes and all. Again like one line and 2 injections they put me. I said, "You have put already before." Saying it was mistakenly not yours. It's this bed owner one, but he already left without informing, so he bought his not.
that means you got 2 free injection also jarano bo information sana bagay na sumtini block himani yang chino kalau guna hai ko abare